guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purva Tiwari. I make videos on fashion, makeup, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and also to follow me on my Instagram, which is fashionista_Purva. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So as I said, I'll be dividing the video in multiple parts, but in today's video, I have these two huge bags in front of me, which I will be showing to you guys. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's begin. तो फर्स्टली आई हैव दिस टू क्यूट मैट्स जो कि आप अपने डाइनिंग टेबल पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं या फिर जनरली आप कहीं भी इफ़ यू गोइंग आउट एंड यू वांट टू हैव फूड यू कैन जस्ट प्लेस इट अंडर योर प्लेट्स एंड आर गुड प्लेसमेंट मैट्स इज अ प्राइस फॉर ₹150 ईच. So I bought this in 300 rupees. Next up we have these tags. पहले मैं tags use नहीं करती थी, but then I realized it is a bit important because sometimes आपके luggage color, bag के color same हो जाते हैं. Write your name, contact details यहाँ पे and your luggage even if it is of same color as of others. आपको बहुत easily आपको you can find your own luggage और bags क्योंकि laptop bags काफ़ी similar हो जाते हैं. You can place these tags on your bags as well. So this is very useful and this retails for ₹190. Next up I have this tissue roll hangover. तो ये आप अपने किचन में वॉशरूम में आप कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं. This has a plastic kind of attachment. तो आप इसको स्टिक कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन यूज दिस पाइप फॉर हैंगिंग टॉवल्स और यू नो एनीथिंग यू वांट. टेल्स फॉर ₹150. Next I have this facial cleaning glove. So I'll open and show it to you guys. लाइक अ सैंड पेपर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. आप इसको होल्ड करके अपना फेस ऐसे क्लीन कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट डीप क्लीनिंग once or twice a week, this would be very useful and this retails for 200 rupees. Next up I have two chopping boards. So I don't know much of cooking, but yes, whenever I plan to cook anything, these come super handy and आपके किचन में chopping boards की ज़रूरत होती है. So these retails for 200 rupees each. Next up we have these 3 traveling bottles. आप इसमें अपने शैम्पू, कंडीशनर, क्रीम्स या कुछ भी आपको जब ट्रैवल करना हो आप अपने बिग साइज से स्मॉलर साइज में इन ट्यूब्स में आप ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस कम्स रियली हैंडी एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 200 rupees. Next up I have Miniso headphones. This is priced for ₹190. I love the color pink and मेरे headphones बहुत जल्दी गुम हो जाते हैं. I have Sony one but you know I tend to lose them very soon. तो I thought why not to give this Miniso headphones a try. तो एक मैं ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. The sound quality is pretty good, not that bad for the price you pay. So it's only 190 rupees. So yeah, you can check this out. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव अ USB टाइप सी केबल. तो केबल्स भी काफ़ी बारी टाइप सी केबल्स मिलती नहीं है जब ज़रूरत होती है. तो दीज आर रियली हैंडी एंड दिस ऑल्सो रिटेल्स फॉर ₹290 एंड आई लाइक द कलर पिंक. Next up I have this silicone facial cleaning brush. So again these are the cleaning brush which have little small brushes and this is silicone. You have these handles to hold from back and again you can use this for cleaning your face. These bristles are really soft and will not harm your face. So yeah, you can give it a try. And these retails for ₹190. So 190 में 2 piece is pretty good deal. I have this pack of tissues. These tissues are really handy. जब भी मैं travel करती हूँ, I carry these tissues in my bag. I take 1 or 2 pack out of this and carry in my bag. The good part is ये छोटे छोटे packs में भी आता है. तो आप इसको कहीं भी अपने हैंड बैग में डाल सकते हैं, अपने घर में यूज़ कर सकते हैं and ऑफिस में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So I really like this pack. And oops, it fell down. And this retails for 190 rupees. Then I have this Miniso cotton swabs. The quality of Miniso cotton swabs is really nice. These are very thin. The original swabs are little broader, but these are very narrow, very thin. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. इसमें 200 pieces है and this retails for 150 rupees. Then next up I have this travel box. इसमें you have 3 bottles, 2 rubber bands, 2 smaller tubs and 1 towel, facial towel and 1 comb. तो ये I think 7 or 8 product 11 pieces का set है. And this retails for ₹260. Again it is in pink color which I've already told you I really like the color pink. My hairband is also pink, so yes it matches, but yeah I really like pink. This is a sachet जो कि आप अपने किचन में या वॉशरूम में रख सकते हैं. This is a fragrance sachet basically. I don't know how much it costed me because इसका price tag नहीं है. This is again in the flavor fragrance lavender. I really like lavender, but ये इतने scented नहीं है, तो I don't think you should be investing in these sachets. And next up I have this portable mirror. सो दिस पोर्टेबल मिरर इज़ रियली हैंडी जब भी आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आपको मेकअप करना हो, टचअप करना हो, इजीली यूज दिस पोर्टेबल मिरर्स टू चेकअप ऑन योर मेकअप एंड इट इज़ गुड टू कैरी नो बैग्स एंड वेरी हैंडी. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर ₹190. सो नेक्स्ट इज दिस शार्पनर. तो आप आईलाइनर्स एंड अपने आईलाइनर्स को शार्प करने के लिए यू कैन यूज दीज शार्पनर्स, इवन क्रेयॉन लिप कलर्स एज वेल. So this has two, the one bigger hole, one smaller hole. So you can sharp the bigger the lip crayons as well, and also the eyeliners. This retails for ₹190. So my first bag is completely empty. Now let's move on to this bag. So the next thing is this portable mirror. This is really handy अगर आप कहीं वेडिंग में जा रहे हैं या अगर आपको मेकअप करना है, आपके पास there's lot of rush around you या आपके पास mirrors नहीं है उस जगह, तो you can usually use these mirrors. I'll quickly show you how it looks. This is a cardboard based mirror and this is how it opens up. So you can see all my, so you can see my background basically in this. But yeah, this is how it looks, and you can easily place it and do your makeup with this. This retails for ₹250, I guess. Now again, a new pair of traveling bottles. So these are set of 4 bottles, beautiful colors here, and this retails for ₹200. Then I have this compressed facial mask. These retails for ₹190, and these masks can be used as a DIY mask. You soak this sheet mask in the solution, let's say lemon solution, and then you unfold the sheet and then apply it on your face. So you can use this as a DIY mask. You can use this in multiple solutions like lemon solution, honey solution, cucumber solution. तो आप कुछ भी इसको किसी भी solution में use कर सकते हैं. ये tablet form में आता है, but as soon as आप इसको पानी में डालेंगे तो ये open up हो जाएगा, and उसके बाद आप इसको अपने face पे apply कर सकते हैं. So this is the compressed sheet mask pack. Retails for ₹190. Then next up I have this Makeup Tools alligator hair clip. तो कभी भी हेयर स्टाइलिंग करनी हो तो these clips come very handy. तो सैलून वगैरह में आपने देखा होगा इसे यूज करते हैं, and these retails for ₹150. Then one more tag. This is again in color lavender. Clearly pink, lavender, yellow are my favorite colors. So yes, again this one more tag in lavender. Then this is a new version of the headphones. So this retails again for ₹190, but ये पहले वाले जो मैंने दिखाए थे उसकी पैकेजिंग डिफरेंट थी. ये डायरेक्ट एक ऐसे पैक में आते हैं. So I really like the colors. I have 2-3 more in this. So I have blue. So this is a blue one. This is the orange one. Yellow one I think my brother is using. ये 2 अभी मेरे पास दिख रहे हैं. तो these are the 2 earphones. Retails for ₹190 each. Spiral binding diaries. So this is a diary. Of course I work in IT sector and काफ़ी चीज़ें note down करनी पड़ती हैं. तो this diary comes really handy. I like this spiral binding diaries. This retails for ₹150. Then next is up this cosmetic accessories comb set. I really like this set. This retails for ₹190, and it has around 3 or 4, and it has around 5 combs in it. तो 5 combs के लिए ₹190 is a great deal. The quality is amazing and can't wait to use these combs. Color again, the peach color is pretty exciting, and yeah, I think you can give this a try. Then I have premium circular powder puff from Miniso. These retails for ₹190, and they have around 20 pieces in this. So again, for makeup purpose you can use these puffs. Then another traveling bottle set is this one. So these bottles are again different kind of bottles, and these are the 2 tubs. The other earphone I found, this is in peach color, dark peachish, orangish kind of a color. So yeah, I have this beautiful nail color in lavender. It's for ₹90 only. So they have बहुत अच्छा collection है colors का. Colors check कर सकते हैं. This time I have this shower cap. इसका packaging I have missed somewhere, but the quality is really nice. It retails for ₹150 or ₹190. So must give these shower caps a try. So they are really good. I bought full packet of these cotton pads. में ऐसे 3 sets आते हैं. So like this is the first set. 2 more sets are there. Sales for again ₹200 or something, and the cotton quality is really nice. So cotton pads तो हमेशा use में आते ही हैं makeup remove करने के लिए. So if you are a makeup junkie, then definitely give these cotton pads a try. And with that, we come to an end for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my Miniso haul video. There are a lot of more stuff जो कि मैं next part में दिखाऊंगी आपको. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And comment down में मुझे बताइए कि आपने Miniso का कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लिया and आपको क्या पसंद आया Miniso से. So stay tuned for next video, guys. Until we meet next time, take good care of yourself. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye.